Okay, so this video is going to be reviewing multiplying and dividing rationals and then finding the LCD. So this first problem right here, pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Alright, welcome back. So for this one, we're just multiplying, so I don't have to worry about multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to go ahead and number these. 1, 2, alright, then I'm going to go ahead and factor everything. So I'm going to start with this first one here. 1, so 3x squared plus 2x minus 8. So here I'm going to have 3 and 1 up top, and then different ways to multiply to 8, which are 1 and 8, 8 and 1, 4 and 2, and then 2 and 4. Cross multiply, we have 24 and 1, 3 and 8, 6 and 4, and 12 and 2. Okay, and then we're trying to get to 2 here. Well, I can use this 6 and 4 right here to get to 2 if I make this 4 a negative. Right here. Well, I get this 4 from right here. There's my combination. And I write my answers vertically. This one, I got 3x minus 4 and x plus 2. Okay, now for the next one. X squared. Okay, so I see that this one is 2 terms. There's no GCF in this one. So I'm thinking squares first, and then if squares doesn't work, cubes. So here I'm going to try squares first. I have x squared, 4. Here I get an x, here I get a 2. That works. So then I have x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay, there's that one. Number 3 here, we have 5x plus 4x squared minus 12x. Careful with this one. So we have a GCF of x, so I'll go ahead and pull that out. We have x, I'm left with 5x squared plus 4x minus 12. Keep in mind, I'm just factoring, I'm not solving. So I need to keep this x outside. I'm not going to set this equal to 0 because I'm not solving. So I'm going to keep it there. Then I'm going to factor, well, what's inside. Here, 3 times, I'm going to factor by reasoning. So I have 5 and 1. Different ways to multiply to 12. I have 12 and 1, 4 and 12, 6 and 2, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, 3. Cross multiply here. 5 and 12, 60 and 1, 10 and 6, 30 and 2, 20 and 3, and 15. Alright, now here I'm trying to get to 4. So I see that I can get to 4 using this 10 and 6 here. If I make this 6 a negative, when I add those together, I get a positive 4. I get this 6 from right here. So there's my combination. Factored, we get 5 x minus 6 and x plus 2. Okay, now on to the last one. Number 4. We have 3x cubed minus 19x squared plus 20x. Okay, I see this one has a GCF of x, so I'm going to pull it out. Oh, and be careful, I almost forgot. And this one, we have to keep that x outside. So we have to bring that down after we pull it out. So this is my full factor form. It's going to be the same idea for this one. So then I have what's left over, 3x squared minus 19x plus 20. All right, factor this one. I have 3 and 1, different ways to multiply to 20. 10 and 2, 10. All right, cross multiply. I have 3 and 20, 60 and 1, 6 and 10, 30 and 2, 12 and 5, and then 15 and 4. Well, I'm trying to get to a negative 19, so I can get there if I make both of these negative here, which makes both of these negative here. There's my combination. So then I have, bring down this x still, so I have 3x minus 4 and x minus 5. Okay, now that I have everything factored, I can rewrite my problem. For this first one, we have 3x minus 4, x plus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 2, and we're multiplying. So I have 5x minus 6 and x plus 2. All over x 3x minus 4 and an x minus. Okay, now that everything's factored, now we look for things to cancel. Remember, I can only cancel things when one's on the numerator and one's on the denominator. So the first thing I see here is these 3x minus 4s can cancel. And these x plus 2s can cancel. Now, if you notice, I have 3x plus 2s, but I can only cancel out a pair of them. I can only cancel out these, and I'm left over with that other one. Okay, then I notice these x's can cancel. So those cancel. And then that's it. So my final answer is x plus 2 over what's left, which is x minus 2, and then x minus 5. There is my answer. Okay, and then, so be very careful. I almost forgot about this 5x minus 6 in here. So we have 5x minus 6, x plus 2, and then x minus 5 here. So we should have a 5x minus 6. Okay, now here's our answer. Okay, so it may help to circle, highlight the ones that you couldn't cancel. And there's my answer. Okay. So now we are going to do a LCD problem. I'm going to practice finding the LCD. So for this one, we're going to have x squared x squared plus x. Try to find the LCD. So go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So the first thing we need to do is we need to factor both of these. So these are both denominators. So we're going to go ahead and factor. Well, this guy right here, I see I can pull out a GCF of x, which is x. 4. Always separate them with an and then this becomes x plus 4, x minus 3, like that. Okay, and then find the LCD. Bring the first one down, which is x. Cross it out. Bring the next one down, which is x plus 4. Cross out here. Cross out there. And bring the next one down. Cross out. Okay, everything's crossed out. There's my LCD.